Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. Right here we've got the list of all kind of currently applied languages, or it is the shortcut of mostly used languages in our case. So we've got only English. We have to add a language, so let's tap on this option. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available options from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Turkish. Let's tap on the region. Sometimes you will be able to choose it. As you can see, we've got our new language added to this list, but the English or any other language in your case is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages to set the new language at the top. Let me tap on it and hold it, and now we can simply drag it to the first position. After releasing the finger, it will be on the first position, as I said, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Of course, you can do it again, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. So as I said, it is kind of a shortcut of a full list of languages. You can set those which are mostly used by you, and you can freely switch between them and fastly change the system language. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon and tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.